And we are going to be cooking now a very simple but really yummy recipe that is a chickpea soup. Here we have some chickpeas with some onions and garlic. And then we are going to finish with really lovely white prawn from south of Spain. And first things first is, as you know, and very important for the Spanish gastronomy, is the extra virgin olive oil. Like that. And now, when the oil is hot, we are gonna add some red onions. Like that. My favorite sound, the sizzling of the food in a very hot oil. And we are gonna leave here to cook for around 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see now, the onions are nice and soft. We are gonna add the garlic. Only a couple of cloves, finely sliced. Straight to there. And then just move well and keep cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. With the garlic is already cooked, we are gonna add some chickpeas. The chickpeas already cooked. Yeah. We are gonna saute a little bit. And then we are gonna add a chicken stock. Very important in this recipe that the stock have to be really lovely and full of flavors. Like that. We are gonna cover the chickpeas. We are gonna add some salt and some pepper. A little bit more salt. And I think we'll need just a bit more stock. We're gonna move well. And then we are gonna keep boiling for around 10 minutes to take all the flavors, and then we are gonna just blend. After 10 minutes boiling out with the chickpeas, the onions, the garlic, and the stock all together, we just blend very, very well. And we are looking for a texture like this one. Look at that, really lovely and silky. Really good. And now we are going to put some oil in a hot pan, like this, a little bit. And with the oil is just warming up, we are going to add a little bit Pimentón de la Vera. In this case, we are using bittersweet. It's the one I really love it. Like that. We are going to move well. We are making like a kind of Pimentón de la Vera oil. This. And we are going to add some prawns. These prawns are white prawns from Huelva, one of my favorites. We're just heating up a little bit. Seeing well the prawns with the Pimentón oil. We don't want to cook the prawns. We just want to heat the oil with the pimentón and just giving some heat to the prawns. Like that. Really gorgeous. And we are ready for plating. And it's ready to eat. We are going to finish with some piece of mint from here, and you have a really lovely cream, chickpea creams with prawns and Pimentón de la Vera. In this case, we've been using bittersweet.